Hello, we're on lesson 18, module 3, and today we're going to order different numbers in different forms. So, I want you to look at our board, and you need to have a dry erase board or a notebook to do this activity. I'm going to put some chips or place value discs on this first screen. And what I want you to do is write the number that this creates. So you're going to look over here, we have 200s. Oh, and I can easily see we have a group of 10s and a group of 1s. Now I want you to think about that. What number is 212 ones? Well, we have 212. That's right. So I want you on your board to write down 212. 2, 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to show some more chips. So let's look over here. I want you to count up the chips and write the number on your board, how much they are. This is really easy to see. I have a group of 5, a group of 5, and a group of 5. I know that this group of 10, when we have 10 tens, that equals 100. And I just like to keep myself organized by circling it, so now I can easily see that's 100. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so that's 150. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 154. I'm going to write that down, and you should write it down on your board too. Okay, now, what's the biggest number? That's right, 212 is the biggest number. And the smallest or the least? That's right, 154. When we have two numbers like this side by side, we can easily compare them with our less than, greater than, or equal to symbols. And I know that 212 is the biggest number, so my alligator mouth gets to eat the 212. So I have 212 is greater than 154. How did you do on that? That was from yesterday's lesson. Pretty easy, I know. All right, we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you 3 numbers, and I want you to write these on your board from the least to the greatest. And you're going to use the standard form. You're going to just use it just the way we would write it regularly. From the least to the greatest. Well, what does that mean? Least. That's right. Least means smallest, and greatest means biggest. Okay. Take a second to look at these numbers and write them from least to greatest. All right. Did you write 103 as your least? That's the smallest. What's the next number? That's right, 154. 154. And the biggest one, 212. Now, friends, we have to be really careful when we're looking at directions because it's going to be confusing if you don't. Because this one said write these 3 numbers from the least to the greatest. A lot of times they want it from the biggest to the smallest. So we really have to know what those words mean and follow what they say. Okay, erase your boards. We're going to do something a little different. I'm going to throw up some chips, and when I throw them up, I want you to write down the number. So write down what this would be. Count up the hundreds, count up the tens, count up the ones. And then I want you to do these 2 numbers. Count up the hundreds, count up the tens, count up the ones. Count up the hundreds, count up the tens, count up the ones. All right, what do we have? Well, let's see. On this one, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 510, 520, 521, 522, 523, 524. Okay, so I'm going to write 524. Oops. Let me go back. $524. Okay, and then my next one, I can see that I have 6 hundredths. In my hundredths place, I have 0 tens, and I have 4 ones. And in this one, again, I have 6 tens, or 6 hundredths, 4 tens, and 2 ones. Okay, so the directions are saying to write the numbers from least to greatest. Least means smallest, so I have to look. What is the smallest number? Well, the smallest number is this, 524. So I'm going to write 524. The next number, we have 604, 642. All right, the 6's are the same, so I can't look at that place value. Ooh, but I could do the tens. I have 0 tens here and 4 tens here. 4 is much bigger than 10. So that means that this is the next smallest number, 604. And my last number is my biggest or my greatest number, which is 642. Did you write the same numbers in the same order? Good job. All right, so we're going to do this. I'm going to throw some chips up. I want you to count how much is there and write the 2 numbers. And then in the middle of the 2 numbers, I want you to do the symbol for less than, greater than, or equal to. And don't forget, you don't have to draw the chips right now. All we're doing is we are counting them up and writing the number in standard form. All right, so let's see. Well, just by looking at these look the same to me. Do they look the same to you? Yeah, well, let's just make sure. All right, we have 3 hundredths. We have 5, 6, 7 tens. No ones. All right, and oh, we have 3 hundredths again. We have 7 tens. No ones. Those numbers are the same. When we have numbers that are the same, that means that they're equal to each other. So we have to draw the equal sign. Great job. All right, we're going to try just a few more. So erase your board, and I want you to look at this first group of numbers. 765, 693, 746. Put them in order from the greatest to least. Ooh, change the directions a little bit. Greatest to least. Greatest means biggest. So what is the biggest number? That's right, 765. So that would be our first number that we would write down. 765. Our next biggest number, 746. And the next one is 746. Oh no, I made a mistake. It is not 746. We just wrote that. It's 693. See, even teachers make mistakes. So our biggest one is 765. Then we have 746. Then we have 693. Now on the bottom, they're doing something a little bit different. They are writing them in unit form. And they're telling us the units. What we have to do is we have to write them in standard form. So I have 2 tens, 10 ones, and 1 10 and 3 ones. Well, 2 tens I know is 20, and what I like to do, because sometimes it gets tricky and I forget, I like to just kind of really small above the words, I like to write the number. So I know 2 tens is 20, I know 10 ones is 10, and I know 1 10 and 3 ones is 13. Okay, Well, now this is easy to see what the biggest number is. The biggest number is 2 tens. Now, sometimes the directions are going to say to write it in standard form. Sometimes they might say to write it in unit form. You just have to pay attention. For this, I'm just going to write it in standard form. So the greatest is 20. The next biggest is 13. And then we have 10. Okay. I think you did a really good job. This is all we're doing today. So don't forget, if you have questions, stop and ask me. All right, see you tomorrow.